Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to follow someone on Deezer. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Following someone on Deezer is quite easy. Open up a web browser of your choice and log into your Deezer account by typing in www.deezer.com in the URL box and press enter. Also, make sure that you're logged into your account for Deezer. Following someone on Deezer is a great way to discover new content from them. In the search box at the top, type in the name of the artist you'd like to follow. Once you type in the name, you'll end up in this page. Go to the Profiles tab at the top right and find the person you'd like to follow. You'll be able to see a follow button right beneath their name. Click it on in order to follow someone on Deezer. You can also open up the Playlist tab from the particular artist you'd like to follow and select one of their playlists and click on the three dots. Click the Use Your Profile button and simply click on the Follow button in order to follow them on Deezer. That is how you can easily follow someone on Deezer account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.